Now we're going to move on to numbers. I've already made a copy of my file and called this one display version 3. We know how to define a variable. So we're going to write a program to calculate a number and then scroll the result. Okay, so remember, when you define a variable such as num, use a single equal sign, 2 plus 2, and the spaces don't matter. We're not saying num equals 2 plus 2. We're saying the variable num is assigned 2 plus 2. And then we want to scroll our variable num. Now, you have an unexpected result ahead. You will see a type error when you run this code. This is expected. This is because we have to convert an integer to a string. Let's fix the error. So to make a variable into a string, you use str, or the other way around if you want to convert a string to an integer, int. So the part that we've already done is blurred out here for microbit import star and assigning num 2 plus 2. Now we want to scroll the variable, but we need to change it to a string first. So we're going to put str parentheses around the variable. Sorry, right click. And that will convert to a string. Now, before you run your program, I want you to think about what you are going to see on your microbit. Will you see 2 plus 2 scroll by? Will you see NUM scroll by? Or something else? When I run my program, what scrolled by? 4. That's because computers are really good at working with numbers and it does the work for you. So that's something like what a calculator does. Are you displaying the right number? If so, yes, and move on.